Hey everyone, my name is Joe and I'm going to show you how to move the column headers from the bottom of a chart in Tableau to the top of a chart when you have multiple measures. So as you can see here, I have a blank workbook right here, and I have three measures right here that I want to add and make three different charts of. So they're all like one seamless chart. This is just a Apex Legend, which is like a video game spreadsheet I have made myself, but you can use this with basically any chart that you put together with three different columns or three different measures on it. But to jump right in, I'm going to put three of my measures on here. As you can see, this has data from three separate measures, which makes three separate charts all seamlessly together. And I'm going to add one dimension here. Put this one here, weapon. And now you can see the issue right here is that the column headers are at the bottom. So we want them at the top. And unfortunately, there's no easy, intuitive way to get them there. I saw another person on YouTube show you that you can go to Analysis, Table Layout, Advanced, but this does not work in all cases. You can check this, uncheck this Show Innermost Level thing right here. In their video, it worked. In my video, it doesn't. I think this is only when there's a vertical axis as well. And for these ones, there's no line chart. There's just one axis. But there is another trick you can use to get this header right here at the top. And what you're going to do is actually going to duplicate each of your three measures. So I'm going to drag my measures back here again and duplicate them. This is some black magic sorcery I'm showing you right here. Now that you have these duplicated, it looks absolutely crazy. You're going to click the drop down on the second of each of these, and you're going to make them dual axis. So second one here, the second one here. Now you have one for each, and you can go to the bottom. See now that there's two of these right here. There's one on the top and the bottom. You can go on the bottom and edit the axis, and you can change it so that there is no title. Removing it, and now it's only on the top. You're going to do this for each of these. Edit the axis. Edit the axis again. I'm doing this kind of slowly, by the way, just so you can follow along without it looking like I'm doing this at 100 miles an hour. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go through each one of these and make them exactly the same as each other. The easiest way to do this would just be to set it to bar on all of them. And since you have two of the exact same measure, there won't be anything crazy because, I mean, they're sitting on top of each other. But the last step would be to edit the top axis so that there are no tick marks at all. Let's see how we can do that. I'm going to put none up there. I'm going to do this for each one of them so there are none up top.